Here, I'm going to explain about what is paragraph, or actually detailed explanation about paragraph. What is paragraph? Have you ever heard the word paragraph? Or if you haven't, or you should really know about what a paragraph is. It's a kind of a rule when you are writing English sentences. So in one word, a paragraph is a unit of sentences focusing on a topic, which could be recognized as the illustration on the screen. So the first sentence in the paragraph, actually, which is shown as the orange line in the illustration, is called topic sentence. Now, what is the topic sentence? Actually, topic sentence describes the topic of the paragraph. The topic sentence must be the first sentence in the paragraph, and sometimes it may include second sentence as well, but actually I don't recommend to do this. The other sentence is called supporting sentence. What supporting sentence does is describing contents that complement the paragraph topic using some examples or detailed explanation. So normally the sentences that are not the topic sentence in the paragraph is supporting sentence. So now I would like to explain why the paragraph is so important. I mean here paragraph by the combination of the topic sentence and the supporting sentence. Normally, Japanese sentence, or also I'm a Japanese, so my mother tongue is Japanese. Normally, Japanese people write research paper in Japanese, and one of the problem of the sentences written in Japanese is one sentence is too long. Now, what happens when we translate such a sentence into English is if we perform the direct translation, even if we don't make any grammatical or grammatical errors, the sentence tends to be really difficult to read. Actually, example A is direct translation of Japanese, which is shown below. If you cannot understand Japanese, it's okay, but what I would like you to do is try to read this sentence currently as a solution of global warming caused by exhaustion of fossil fuel and emission of carbon dioxide and energy problems. Blah, blah, blah. So you could notice that the sentence or the paragraph composed by only one sentence, and actually it's really difficult to read. So we may understand if the amount of English which should be understood is this much. So if you spend some time, you may understand what this means. But so just imagine when we're reading a paper, we need to read more than probably 4, 5, 6 pages of A4 paper. If such sentence continues, probably the reader gets tired of reading it, and the examiner, reviewer may not want to read such a English sentences which is difficult to be read. Then what I propose is try to make such a sentences into the structure of a paragraph. Actually, example B is a paragraph. It starts with the topic sentence as a first sentence, and the other sentences supports the topic sentence, showing some example and detailed explanation. So you could notice a structure which is shown on in this screen. The first sentence is a topic sentence, and the other sentence is a supporting sentence. So this may be so. I'm expecting that non-native speakers, non-native English speakers are watching this video lecture and are explaining this for such kind of people. We have a language barrier. We have language barriers from from our mother tongue to English, and probably from your mother tongue to English. So what you need to make sure is, of course, you need to learn some grammatical rules of English, but this rule may be the most important thing. So I want you to compare the example A and the example B. Probably for most of you, I should say all of you, for all of you, the example B must be much easier to read. Then this is all for this section. Thank you for listening.